Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about qualitative research in a very simple way. Qualitative research is a research method that focuses on words, experiences, and meanings. Instead of numbers, it studies people's thoughts, feelings, and opinions. It commonly uses interviews, open ended questions, observations, and focus group discussions. The results are explained using themes and descriptions. Let's see a simple example. Rahul is a college student who wants to understand how students feel about online classes. So, he interviews 15 students, asks open ended questions, and notes their opinions and feelings. After analysis, he finds common themes like flexibility, stress, and lack of interaction. Since Rahul used words, opinions, and experiences instead of numbers, this is qualitative research. That's qualitative research, deep, descriptive, and based on experiences. Thank you.